Hello again, my lovely creators. Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we have a celebration hop. So the lovely Shannon has hit 500 subscribers on her YouTube channel, and that is halfway to the big one, right? 1,000 is the one where you get to be monetized and everything, but 500 is exceptional. It is awesome. It's when you really start to be like, wow, I'm a YouTuber. So I am so excited and happy for you, Shannon. And if you guys don't know Shannon, she joins in on a lot of the hops that I take part in as well. And she is a very lovely and talented creative. So I will have her linked down below. Please go check her out and see what she is all about if you are not already a subscriber. So in our fabulous fashion, we are all going to scrap lift Shannon today. She is one Scrappy Mom 71 on Instagram, and here is, well, my lights are washing that out. Here is the layout that I am going to, come on, scrap lift. I really wish I had some pictures of Whitney and Track, but they're my husband's phone and I don't feel like going and getting those right now. So we are going to do this fabulous layout. She's got a lot of fun stuff going on. I'm going to be doing the Indy 500. So it's kind of a race. Well, it's not kind of a race. It is a race. It's just a different style of racing, right? So we need 2 photos. And this was 103. I think I got those wrong, don't I? Okay, no, that's lap 103. Ha, I do have them right. So we've got those 2 right there, and that is from the Game Bridge, the PNC car. And I was just basically getting, like, so the throttle and the brake, and this was Dixon number 9. He actually almost won the race until he got a penalty for leaving the pit too early and with, like, crazy 6 laps to go. The guy, like, pretty much led the race the whole time. So it just shows like his RPMs, the miles per hour, and what gear he's in. And this is coming through the home stretch and taking the turn, and just crazy how fast they're going. 222, 23 miles per hour. What I'd give to drive one of those. And I mean, the throttle is wide open. So anyway. That was one of the many little screens that they had around, so I thought that would be fun. So I am going to go ahead and scrap those. I'm going to cut them down a smidge. So let's do that real quick. And I will have everyone playing along linked down below. So check them out to see how they are scrap lifting Shannon. We are just, let's see. Want to make them even, so let's see if that worked out. Maybe just took a little too much off. Alright, close enough. So I always do the one that's closest that we can pretty much not take a lot off of without compromising what is in the photo. So we're going to keep them the same. And we are going to mat them as well. I do have a white piece of cardstock, and I wanted to use these 2 washes. So basically, I've got these 2 triangle pieces, which we need, because that is a straight edge. So I need to just kind of like take it down a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all cut. But these are all the pieces that I am going to use to create this. Wish me luck. I'm going to use this piece as well. So it looks like if I cut these 2 the same way, somehow I'll have the 2 big triangles, and then we'll figure everything else out from there. So give me just a minute. Pray for me, and I'll be right back. I matted my photos with the butterfly paper, and now, let's see, and get this the way it needs to go. Alright. So this one, I definitely got right. I always cut them at the wrong angles, you guys. I always make them go the wrong way. But that's okay. We're going to make it work. Alright, so this, we're going to put roughly about here. So close. We'll just trim it all down and mat it. And then this is going to be perfect because normally I would want to back this on some white cardstock. But it's already going on white cardstock. So we're just going to go ahead and move it closer to me so it makes sense. And I apologize if my head gets in the way. We're going cooking. This has been one of those days. Alright. And we'll tuck that under. Okay, and then this one needs to run this way. If I could, there we go. Just gonna run that right along the edge of this one. Haha! Now we don't even need to cut it down. Look at that. Oh, that worked fabulously. Okay. Now this piece is way too big. Oh goodness. Goodness me. Let's see. We're going to put the photos really probably should have watched Shannon's video, huh? Okay, so if we put that there, we can definitely pull it down and cover it. Why, certainly we can. This will just make it fit. Angles are hard for me, you guys know this. It is not a secret. They are definitely a bit challenging for the old Baxter. Okay. Alright, we're just going to have to make it work. May not be doing you justice, Shannon, and I do apologize. So let's pull this up to right about there. And then, instead of putting one up there, why don't we... Yeah, I think I'm going to add one down here. Just because I didn't give myself enough room, did I? But that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. The inspiration definitely came from Shannon, and we are celebrating her. I'm just, I'm different. mostly because I can't cut angles to save my life. And it always takes me forever to figure it out. Like, I never do those live because otherwise it's like, oh, jeez. You should see how many pieces of paper I ruin going through this stuff. Okay. So, let's see. Now, let's put something nice and big in there. Just, let's see. I feel like we'll put this right here. Don't want to use that. And let's see about grabbing this one. Let me put this one here. Oh, I like that. I like the way it's going now. Let's just pull off some of that chipboard, right? Anyways, knowing my experience, when you expose the cardboard, the ATG repels it, at least mine does. So I'm going to stick this one here. And that one down here. Okay. Let's see what's on this sticker sheet, see if we can get any of this stuff. I really don't know how to use these little things, to be honest with you, because I feel like you should fold them in half, but that's just not what they want to do. So let's just create a cute little banner down there. We'll do one more, so awesome, stand tall, delightful. And we're going to pop our title in. Right up here. Believe in yourself. I mean, 'tis what it is at this point. Alright, I need to add, I'm going to put this little good times right here. And let's tuck a little happy right there. Why not? And we're going to put a circle here. And put little favorites. And a little butterfly. And what else do we got? Grab a few more of the butterflies. Actually, I want to pop the butterflies up on some foam. So, just to give a little bit of dimension in these areas down here. pop him there. So yeah, what do you guys think of this crazy layout I got going on? Do you think I did Shannon justice? Shannon, I sure hope I did. I do apologize if you're like, nope, no you didn't, lady. I'll be like, I understand. I meant to. And get this little guy on there. Okay. Let's tuck that under. Let's add some enamel dots. And let's pull in this green color down here. And pull in this little gray color over here. And add some pink in this area. And yeah, the only thing that it's gonna need is pray for me again. We are going to outline, because it kind of looks like she's got that going on. And I'm doing it very messily. Let's see if we can just run right along these lines. So it's a different way to use my messy line borders, right? Taking a cue from Shannon. Alright, let's see our finished product. I am happy with it. I do hope that you guys go check Shannon out, and I hope that I did her justice. I absolutely love that layout, and I want to try it again. I need to get this angle right. And normally, you could have just flipped it, but it was a cut apart on the other side, so that would have not worked. But definitely something different, and that's why I always choose, whenever I'm scraplifting someone, something that is not something that would come out of my brain, right? Like, you guys know, I don't do angles, so I tend to not cut them. Shannon, thank you so much, and I am so happy, and congratulations on your achievement. And I'm sure we will be celebrating you again shortly when you hit your next milestone. So here is Shannon's original, and here's my finished product. So, go me. Alright, thank you guys so much. Remember to be kind. Don't forget to check everyone else out, and I'll see you later. Bye.